Hey, welcome to my tutorial on Snickerdoodles, how to bake them, how to make them nice. And you're listening to my very own voiceover. First thing you want to do is preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Celsius would be a little hot. Next, we're going to sit down and bake the cookies. First things first, we're going to measure out 1 cup of sugar. A little more. A little more. All right, there. We have 2 substitutes going into this recipe because I don't know what cream of tartar is, or shortening for that matter. To replace the cream of tartar, we are using 4 teaspoons of lemon juice. And to replace the shortening, we are using 1 cup of butter. Vegan butter, because we are better. The butter needs to be softened, and we do that in the microwave for about 15 seconds. Next, we're going to combine our wet ingredients with our sugar. So in a large bowl, combine the lemon juice, sugar, and softened butter. Next, we're going to mix those ingredients, cream them together until they are smooth. There you go. Beat, 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 flick of the wrist, all that good stuff. Next, we're going to crack 2 large eggs, pour said eggs, then beat those same eggs into the mixture until thoroughly abused. Measure out 2 3/4 cups of flour. Pour the flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt into a separate bowl. Then mix them as if you can tell if the 3 white powders are evenly distributed. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, but not really, because why waste time being gradual when you're hungry? Go on and mix it in. Alright, for the cinnamon and sugar coating, we are going to use 2 parts cinnamon, 1 part sugar, and 1 part brown sugar. I say parts and not direct measurements because you may need more or less depending on how much you want on the coating of your cookies, as well as if you run out while in process like I did. Mix the mixture thoroughly. Alright, whenever you're ready, roll the dough into 1.5 inch balls. And then go ahead and roll those balls into the cinnamon and sugar until they're evenly coated. I set aside all my dough balls on a plate until I was ready to bake them. When you're ready to bake them, set up the baking sheet on top of the cooling rack. Plate them jaws in equal distance, like so. Keep fixing the distance. Thank you. Throw them in the oven for 10 minutes. Take them out. Try one and taste how those Snickerdoodles slap so well.